Alright everyone, welcome back to The Simple Dad. So Samsung has just pushed out a brand new update for the Samsung Galaxy S26 series, including the S26 Ultra. And today we're going to quickly go over what's new, what's changed, and whether you should install it or not. So this update brings One UI 8.5, Android 16, and the latest May 2026 security patch. So let's keep it simple and let's get right into it. So to check for your update, go ahead and open up settings, scroll down and find software updates, and then tap on check for updates. Now here we go, we got the update. Now here's the information from the update screen. The update size is approximately 564 megabytes. So it's not a huge update, but it includes some important improvements. The software is ending with AZE2, and the security patch level is May 5th, 2026. Now you can go ahead and tap on this link here to learn more about this update. Now Samsung doesn't really list a ton of flashy features in this update. Most of the focus here is security and the overall device protection. So Samsung says the device now has improved security plus stability improvements in the background. So this is more of a maintenance update rather than a big feature drop. So let's go ahead and install this update. I'll resume that. Now we'll tap on restart. Now after the software has been updated, go ahead and press OK, and then go ahead and open up settings, go into your security and privacy. Now next tap on updates, and here you want to check security updates and Google Play system updates. So we'll check both of them. So it's up to date. Now we'll go ahead and check the Google Play system update. And that's also updated. So after installing updates like this, most people will usually notice smoother animations, better app stability, fewer random glitches, and sometimes slightly improved battery optimization. Now don't expect a complete transformation overnight, but these smaller updates are important because they help keep the phone clean and reliable. So the big thing here is that the S26 is continuing with Android 16 and One UI 8.5. Samsung has been polishing the software experience pretty nicely this year. Everything feels smoother and more refined overall and very stable on your S26 Ultra. So should you install it? Yes, 100%. Since this update mainly focuses on security and stability, it's definitely recommended, especially if you use your phone daily for banking, work, photos, social media, or just important personal stuff. Security updates matter more than people think. So overall, this is a smaller Samsung update, but still an important one. You're getting improved security, better system stability, Android 16 refinements, and the latest May 2026 patch. So if you already received this update, let me know how your phone is running so far. And if you enjoyed this simple breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.